Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to edit a post on LinkedIn. So to do this you have just to go to LinkedIn, open it, and after that go to your profile, click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that click on your name, and after that scroll down until you will find your posts like in activity. Click on posts or images if we are speaking about images, and after that click on show all posts. And as you can see, for example, I want to edit the first post. I click on the three dots next to it, and as you can see there is an option called edit post. Just click on it, and after that, for example, I will add this, and after that click save, and voila, the post is edited. But you should know that it will tell also people who are seeing your post that this post is edited. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you